Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Today we are here at Kohinoor Central Park which is located in Hinjewadi, Pune, a project developed by Kohinoor Group. And आज हम इनका project unboxing करेंगे. But इसके पहले आइए जानते हैं that what is Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. अनलाइक करंट लिस्टिंग प्लेटफॉर्म जहां अगर आप एक इंक्वायरी कर लेते हो तो आपका कॉन्टेक्ट शेयर हो जाता है मल्टीपल ब्रोकर्स के साथ, बट हम हाउसी में आपको कनेक्ट कर रहे हैं डायरेक्टली बिल्डर्स के साथ, क्योंकि हाउसी में लिस्टिंग करते हैं सीधे डेवलपर्स एंड नॉट द ब्रोकर्स. सो यहाँ वहां जाना छोड़िए एंड बुक योर ड्रीम होम डायरेक्टली विद बिल्डर्स ऑन हाउसी. Now in this video we will be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, parking, master plan, unit plan, floor plan, possession with the pros and cons of the project. So let's start with the project overview. So this is your project जो total 13.5 acres के land parcel में construct हो रहा है and यहाँ पे आपको मिल रहे total 10 towers and this project is divided into 2 phases. Currently they have launched with phase 1 and जिसमें आपको total 6 towers मिलेंगे with each tower of ground plus 22 floors with 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residencies. Now let's discuss the location part. This project is located next to Famvillage, Hinjewadi, Pune, where Hinjewadi Kasisai Road is 350 meters. Wipro Circle Metro Station is 2.1 km from the project and Croma Hinjewadi is 3.9 km from the project. So let's now discuss the amenities part. In internal amenities आपको मिलेगा vitrified flooring, granite kitchen, dry balcony and toilets, water supplied through overhead water tanks, anti-skid ceramic flooring on terrace and many more. Now let's discuss the external amenities. So आइए check करते हैं. So amenities में आपको मिल रही total 55 plus ultra luxurious amenities like of tennis court, badminton court, the garden area, ये आपका club house है and this is your skywalk. यहाँ पे आपको मिल रहा है swimming pool, the jogging track. Now let's discuss about their parking. So यहाँ पे आपको one type की parking मिलेगी that is on ground level.
Now let's do the master plan and carpet area analysis. This is the master plan of Kohinoor Central Park. As you can see in the image, this project consists of 10 towers constructed in total 13.5 acres of land parcel. Now let's have a look at some of the floor plans. Here you can see this is the typical floor plan of Tower 1 and Tower 2, having 8 flats, 4 lifts, 2 staircases per floor, with 4 flats of 2 BHK and 4 flats of 3 BHK residencies. Now let's have a look at some of the unit plan. This is the unit plan of 2 BHK of 803 square feet. This is the unit plan of 3 BHK that is 995 square feet and 1087 square feet. And this is the unit plan of 3 BHK duplex of 1276 square feet usable carpet area.
Now let's discuss the construction update of this project. So as you can see हम आ चुके हैं इनके साइट पे एंड मेरे ठीक पीछे आपको इनका सेल्स ऑफिस दिखेगा एंड दिस इज द एक्चुअल लैंड पार्सल ऑफ दिस प्रोजेक्ट एंड द सेल्स ऑफिस के पीछे इनका कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्क इज गोइंग ऑन, यानी कि एक्सक्लेवेशन वर्क इज बीन स्टार्टेड. नाउ अगर पोजीशन की बात करें तो दिसंबर 28 तक आपको फेज 1 का पोजीशन मिलेगा व्हिच इंक्लूड 6 टावर्स. Now the most interesting part, that is the pros and cons of the project. So first let's discuss the pros of the project. This project is being constructed by Kohinoor Group, so you can rest assured about the timely possession and the quality of construction. Yes, it is going to be excellent. Project has large carpet area, especially for 2 BHK where other builders are busy in constructing smaller carpets. Here you will be getting the spacious home. Apartments have larger balcony, so if balcony is your preference then this project suits you perfectly. Now the most awaited part, that is the cons of the project. The possession of the project is little bit of late, like in December 2028. So if you are looking to shift in next 1 to 2 years then this project do not suit you. So everyone, this was the project unboxing of the residential project that is Kohinoor Central Park located in Hinjewadi, Pune by Kohinoor Group.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project unboxing videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.